Have you ever wished for an AI tool so advanced yet surprisingly free? Here is your dream coming true. This video below will show you an incredible AI tool that will make you doubt your eyes. Welcome your free alternative to Midjourney, and it's packed with mind-blowing features. In this video, I am taking you through the world of artificial intelligence by introducing you to a fellow co-pilot AI tool that serves as a free alternative to Midjourney. Are you ready to unveil some phenomenal features that will change the approach to many tasks? Stay tuned to discover the mind-blowing capabilities of this incredible co-pilot AI tool. And please subscribe to my channel for interesting AI-related topic videos. Let's first jump into the common challenges and limitations faced by users of Midjourney and how the Copilot AI tool aims to address them. Primarily, Midjourney works through a Discord-based interface. While this may sound overwhelming at first, it can be quite challenging for a beginner. Each command you need is unique and has its own parameters to work with to generate AI images. To do that, however, the user needs to learn how to do this, and that is the first perfect reason to quit not at the beginning of the work. The above can be a huge obstacle to the further exploration of Midjourney's capabilities for the new generation. Copilot's strengths and difference lie in the web interface a user has to explore. You do not have to put specific commands to generate your actual image. All you need is to type your description, and when finished, press the Enter key of the keyboard and voila! The magic has just happened. There is no longer a struggle with commands. Midjourney's operation is largely dependent on Discord servers. Regretfully, this creates a possible point of failure. The process of creating images may be interfered with by server instability or outages. However, Copilot overcomes this reliance. Thanks to its web-based methodology, individuals can generate AI graphics on their own without depending on third-party servers. Don't wait on Discord to comply any longer. Midjourney does not have live previews. While users enter their description and cross their fingers, not knowing how the image will turn out, Copilot modifies the rules. It instantly suggests images as you input your description. Watch as the magic happens in front of your eyes. Create, improve, and iterate with assurance. Let's explore the functions and capabilities of Copilot, Microsoft's AI companion that can supercharge your productivity and creativity. Microsoft Copilot is a groundbreaking AI solution that will transform company productivity by seamlessly integrating with existing processes, allowing teams to communicate more efficiently, simplify activities, and unleash unprecedented innovation. GitHub's AI-powered coding assistant is especially designed to reduce repetitive chores and increase developer productivity by using machine learning techniques to produce code and aid in the creation of test input lists. Copilot generates real-time code suggestions based on the context of the code being produced, allowing developers to focus on the fundamental logic of their code while the tool handles the repetitious elements, thus increasing productivity and efficiency. Mastery Logistics Systems and Novo Nordisk use GitHub Copilot to automate repetitive coding chores for its engineers. VinBrain is also utilizing AI-powered copilots to improve medical screening and detection procedures while facilitating more meaningful doctor-patient interactions. Team Rubicon, a veteran-led humanitarian organization dedicated to serving worldwide communities, utilizes Copilot for Dynamics 365 to improve their volunteer efforts by finding and connecting with the appropriate people in the right places. Through plugins, extensions, and APIs, Microsoft Copilot connects with a wide range of tools and software, improving its functionality and user experience across several platforms and applications. Through Copilot's integration with OpenAI plugins, customers may access the OpenAI API and utilize OpenAI models features in their applications. Currently, Microsoft Copilot comes with a number of well-liked plugins that improve its usability and usefulness by integrating with other third-party apps. Among the most prominent plugins are the following: Instacart, which enables users to look up recipes, find ingredients, and place grocery orders directly through Copilot, Kayak, which allows users to search for flights, hotels, and rental cars and make travel arrangements easily within Copilot, and Shop, this plugin, which is owned by Shopify, lets customers use Copilot to explore and buy items from other online businesses. So, if you are thrilled as I am about the potential of AI tools in digital marketing, subscribe to our channel for more information on the newest trends and technology. Join us on our adventure of invention and exploration. See you in the next video.